But before that, let's snatch a cat. Shiny, come back, Shiny! Here, kitty, kitty. Oh my god, what kind of Shiny are you? Come on, Eska. I'll give you some treats later.
Oh, mapopopopopopo mbona umeshalala? Wanaona haya nafsi yangu ishashashasha.
Thanks, Eska. Bye. So yeah, let's go to the Buy Mall. Go on and try to tear me down. I will be rising from the ground like a skyscraper. First, we will go to Spinneys. Let's buy some groceries. Looking for kamachili and Bermuda grass. After this, it's gonna be our lunch time. Starting to celebrate! So now we are here at DIN TAI FUNG. Ayan, taya muna daw tayo sa surprise. Wrong spelling wrong. It's not hot, so we transferred here outside.
Wow.
Bon appetit! Guys, the food is so sumptuous and mouth-watering. So come and visit DIN TAI FUNG. Wow, murag-murag ha! Bien sabroso! From home, we are traveling to the desert to witness the meteor shower. Darling shoes! Where are you? Meet Shansei! Shansei na walang malay! Sunshine! Ganyan mag-abang ng bulalakaw.
Ginagawa niyo!
Waiting for the meteor shower. Uy! Sorry guys, I couldn't capture nice footage of meteor shower. Oh! Kalas, let's eat!
Here they come.
After QUDRA Desert, Brass Monkey. This is actually the first time we play bowling here at Brass Monkey. Ito yung panahong wala pa si Kamuning, nasa isla pa. She got injured while taking photos of me outside, so this is the result. No mercy, bulo pa rin. Up, 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 up. Tiger look yan. So they say dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. Ya Allah, I'm singing. meteor shower. It's not how you start, but how you finish. Okay, guys, time to go home. Don't worry, it's muted. She's singing again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next